Assalamuwoliakum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cake Decorating Idea. Get ready to impress all the frozen fans with those stunning frozen cake decorating idea. In this video, we will show you creative ways to decorate cake inspired by Elsa herself. Whether you are hosting a frozen theme party or just wanted to surprise someone special, those cake creations are sure to make Elsa proud. Watch till the end for some magical cake decorating inspiration. I hope you will all like today's video. Also, to know any problem or anything about baking, check in the Facebook page link in the description box. Comment, send us a message. Thank you very much for watching the video. Enjoy this video.